Hello, Marvin AME, Zion Church family, and thank you, Milton McCoy, for allowing me to share this valuable information. Oral health transformation. What if I told you that some of the biggest secrets to your overall health, your heart, your brain, even your risk for chronic diseases, are hiding right in your mouth? And what if the way we've been taught to care for our mouths is actually wrong? Today, we're going to bust some major myths and give you simple, powerful tips to transform your oral health and maybe even your life. Let's get started. 1. The mouth-body connection. First up, let's talk about the big picture. For decades, we've treated the mouth like it's totally separate from the rest of our bodies, but that's a huge mistake. Think of your mouth as the gateway to your health. When you have inflammation in your gums, from something as common as bleeding when you floss, that inflammation doesn't just stay put. It travels through your bloodstream, affecting your heart, your brain, and contributing to major health issues like diabetes and even Alzheimer's. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Experts believe that 7 out of 10 major chronic diseases have an oral health component. So taking care of your mouth is one of the most powerful things you can do for your long-term health. 2. Stop killing your good bacteria. Okay, so what's the first step? You might be surprised. For years, we've been told to disinfect our mouths with strong antiseptic mouthwashes. But here's the secret. Your mouth is home to a whole community of bacteria, and a lot of them are your friends. These good bacteria do amazing things, like helping to produce a miracle molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax your blood vessels, which can actually lower your blood pressure. When you use a harsh mouthwash, you wipe out these good guys, and your body misses out on that incredible benefit. So what's the takeaway? Ditch the harsh, antiseptic mouthwash. Your mouth will thank you for it. 3. Simple habits for a healthy mouth. So, if you're not nuking your mouth with mouthwash, what should you be doing? Here are a few simple, game-changing habits. First, get a tongue scraper. Your tongue is a huge habitat for bacteria, and gently scraping it once a day, especially before bed, can be a fountain of nitric oxide. Second, when you brush, be gentle. Use the softest toothbrush you can find and focus on massaging your gum line. And here's a pro tip. Floss before you brush. This breaks up the plaque and allows your toothpaste to do its job better. Finally, after you eat, chew some xylitol gum. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that helps neutralize acid in your mouth and keeps the bad bacteria from causing trouble. 4. You are what you eat now. For the biggest secret of all, your diet is more important than your brushing technique. You heard that right. The food you eat has a massive impact on your oral health. Sugary snacks and refined carbs are like a feast for the bad bacteria that cause cavities. But here's a fun tip. If you have something acidic like wine or coffee, follow it up with a piece of cheese. Cheese helps buffer the acid and protect your teeth. And remember those nitrate-rich foods we talked about? Loading up on leafy greens like spinach and arugula will feed the good bacteria on your tongue and boost your nitric oxide levels. 5. A better toothpaste. Last but not least, let's talk toothpaste. For decades, it's all been about fluoride. But there's a fantastic alternative called nanohydroxyapatite, or NHA for short. This might sound super scientific, but it's actually what your teeth are naturally made of. Using an NHA toothpaste is like giving your teeth the exact building blocks they need to repair themselves. It can even help reverse early decay. Plus, it's completely safe, even for kids. So next time you're shopping for toothpaste, look for NHA on the label. It's a simple switch that can make a huge difference. Conclusion. So there you have it. Your mouth is the gateway to your health, and taking care of it is simpler than you think. Let me recap those key points. Ditch the harsh mouthwash, get a tongue scraper, brush gently and floss first. Focus on a healthy diet with plenty of leafy greens, and consider making the switch to NHA toothpaste. Start with just one small change, and you'll be on your way to a healthier mouth and a healthier you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smile.